Ready, start. Reference has been made to S.K. Sharma within bracket supra bracket close to justify this conclusion. Full stop. It is time to have a closer look at the facts in S.K. Sharma within bracket supra bracket close to understand as to in what circumstances that exception was carved out. Full stop. The grievance raised by the delinquent employee in S.K. Sharma within bracket supra bracket close was not that there was total absence of notice. Full stop. The grievance was that a set of 9 documents, including the statements of 3 individuals, was not supplied to him. Full stop. The delinquent was advised to peruse, examine, and take notes of the said documents / statements half an hour before the commencement of the inquiry proceedings. Full stop. It was admitted that the list of documents / statements was supplied. Full stop. This court found that though the copies of the statements were not supplied, the delinquent was permitted to peruse the same more than 3 days prior to the examination of the witnesses. Full stop. In that background, the court examined the question whether under the circumstances there was substantial compliance of the clause in the regulations, providing for supply of copies of statements, not later than 3 days before the commencement of the examination by the witness before the inquiring authority. Full stop. It was expressly noticed in the judgment that the records of the case did not disclose that the delinquent had protested about denial of adequate opportunity to cross-examine. Full stop. Unlike in S.K. Sharma's case within bracket supra, on which both the learned single judge and the division bench have relied upon to non-suit the appellants, the present is a case of no notice and no hearing in breach of an express rule. Full stop. In the present case, before the collector, only the complainant Archana Misra and the ex officio respondents were arrayed as parties. Full stop. Allegations directly on the conduct of the appellants and the committee members were traded thick and fast. Full stop. The order of the collector and the revisional authority, in fact, makes no reference either to the definition of relative in the explanation to section 40 within bracket C or to the resolution providing for recusal of committee members who had their near relations appearing for the interview. Full stop. The categories excluded from the definition of relatives are also not noticed. Full stop. Based on inferences drawn from the records produced by the ex officio respondents, conclusive findings were recorded by the collector and the appointments of the appellants and 4 others were set aside. Full stop. The order of the revisional authority is a reiteration of the order of the collector. Full stop. These have been endorsed in the judgment of the learned single judge. Full stop. The material that warms into the record behind the back of a party does have a tendency to condition the minds of the reviewing authorities. Full stop. Very often, it may happen that the said one-sided version smuggled in stealthily, may cloud their mind and make them oblivious to plight of the party who is denied audi alternem partem. Full stop. Strong convictions then get mollified, initial sense of outrage gets dampened and the feeling of unfairness that engulfed one at the commencement of the proceeding may slowly wither away. Full stop.